What's going on, YouTube? Murdercus back here, bringing you guys another video for y'all today. As you can see, if you can see my mirror, I got my BMW rims. I found a woman out in the boondocks, basically. I mean, look where I am, guys. I live in the suburbs, but took about an hour drive out. Beautiful drive, and that's why I'm gonna be filming this video for y'all today. But I just got full set of rims, guys, for $140. I mean, I think they have the sensors in them too. I mean, that is absolutely wonderful. I'm super happy, and that's, you know, that's a save on the bank account. That's all I gotta say, guys. 'Cause trust me, rims and tires are not cheap, and they're actually the same tires that I got on my other one. But if you guys did not know, I accidentally curbed my BMW, and I took the wheels off, and I could clearly see I bent one and I cracked the other one, both on the front side of the car, and I hit the curb on the driver's side wheel. So basically went over the hump like that. Airbags went off, had to get the car towed. It sucked. Haven't gotten it aligned yet. I hope when I put the tires on and I get it aligned, there's no more issues. Hopefully I didn't bend anything where they can't align it right. I looked at it, I really didn't see anything too crazy, and I drove it around the block with my steering wheel like this, basically, and it was like crab walking like that. Hopefully an alignment can fix it. I really do hope so. I do miss that car a lot. But I just want to give you guys a video today. I mean, this is just an absolutely beautiful landscape, good scenery, and I just had to make a YouTube video. So if you've not checked out my previous Prius videos, I highly recommend it. They're super awesome. I actually interview my younger brother, and we talk about his Valorant gaming career sort of thing. He's about 3 years younger than me, so he's lucky enough to, you know, be in the esports scene. I unfortunately was not as lucky. I probably would have done esports also. I love playing video games, and that brings up another topic. I just got my graphics card from my younger brother. He donated me a 1660 Ti NVIDIA card, so I just recorded gameplay on it, and I will say it is far superior than the Radeon graphics card I was using. I was using a RX 570. Great card for just, you know, casual gaming, but man, that NVIDIA 1660 Ti, that thing puts in work. So be on the lookout for a lot more gaming episodes. I'm gonna, you know, basically do commentary just in the game. But why not do an IRL video in the Prius? Who doesn't love these? I mean, I love making these videos for you guys, and I love the reception that I receive. Shout out Taz. Shout out all the supporters out there. You guys are honestly so wonderful. You make this amazing. I love that fire emoji, bro. And we're just gonna keep pushing. Be sure to stop at the stop sign. I'm just gonna go. I don't want the school bus to block me. But guys, this part right here is so insane. I wish I had my BMW. I mean, look at this road curvature, just windy, and I love driving through it. Love the G-force you get. I mean, like, look at this curve right here. Like, goodness gracious. Wouldn't want to hit the metal rail, that's for sure. But I mean, if I had my BMW, man, I would definitely be testing the traction on that thing. I mean, just look at this thing. It's sweet. Beautiful little scenery. But other than that, guys, just been grinding, hard at work, trying to give you guys content on the daily. I'm really trying to grind and make this YouTube thing my like career, basically. So remember the name Murdercus, guys. I swear to you, we're gonna go up, you know? We're gonna go up. So thank you to all my day ones and OG fans. You basically, if you're watching this right now, you're an OG/day one fan. I mean, I really just started grinding this YouTube, and I hope 2022 is going to be our best year yet. And you know, I'm so excited and just happy. I'm just so grateful to be able to do this stuff for you guys. You really have no idea how grateful I am to, you know, be able to speak to you guys, make these videos and content. It is so awesome. And, you know, just to be able to talk to people outside of who I know. Because, you know, if you knew me IRL, guys, I'm a pretty chill guy. Nothing too crazy. You know, I'm not no Justin Bieber. I'm not crazy famous, but this YouTube thing, I just love how I'm able to, you know, make an impact online, and, you know, maybe help with whatever is going on in your life. You know, just bring some positivity to you guys. That's all I'm trying to do. And, you know, just spread that positive vibes, like good vibes, like some Bob Marley stuff, you know what I'm saying? But guys, this road is so epic. Oh my goodness. Oh my god, that was a tire. This thing just smacked against the door. Probably just, oh, there it goes, smacking again. But yeah, guys, that's my tire basically, and rim. It's crazy how has like no tread on it. Hopefully one of them do, but if not, that's why I bought 2 extra wheels, or tires, I'm sorry, tires. I just have to get them mounted. But I'm so ecstatic, guys. So happy that I got a good deal on these rims. I mean, I got a really good deal. $140 for a full set of BMW alloy wheels. They look legit. I looked at the serial number, not some phony knockoffs. That person that I bought it from, oh my god, look at this turn, really just was blessing, like Santa Claus. Like, I don't even know what, like, she was like the savior, honestly, because looking for these rims, guys. So, like, I was calling these places for a cracked rim. They're quoting me like $200 for 2 hairline cracks on one of the my original set that came with the car, the OEM wheels. That one got cracked, and I was just like, man, $200, and it's just a weld. Like, it's not even like a new rim. And I was looking online, and it was like $200 for a new rim. So I was just like, man, like, I really don't know what to do. Was a little bit patient, didn't really rush it. That's another thing I've learned, guys, is patience. If you don't learn it, you're screwed. If you don't learn patience, and trust me when you're hearing it from me, patience was not my best quality, but it's something that I've grown to more appreciate as I've gotten older. It's definitely appreciating patience and, you know, not going off emotion, because I've made so many mistakes off emotion, guys. You have no idea. Not in a bad way, but I'm just saying, like, just trying to talk to you guys and be personal, like, what's up? And you know, keep this video interesting. You know, I'm really trying to make this stuff interesting, guys. Make sure you comment down below what you think. I just love making content, guys. But I'm gonna get on the highway. Don't want to be distracted on the highway, so I get these rims home and, you know, myself home. Continue to make some more videos, guys. But I love you all personally. I wish I could give all of you a hug and just tell you guys are awesome. I really appreciate all the support. You guys have no idea. Marcus is out. Peace.